Hi, welcome back. Here we have October 2019, question number 6. The curve C has equation y is equals to 4 by x plus k, where k is a positive constant. This is a reciprocal graph, 4 by x. Sketch a graph of C stating the equation of the horizontal asymptote and the coordinates of the point of intersection with the x-axis. So let's do the first part here. Let's draw the x and y-axis. So the x-axis, y-axis is here, x-axis. Okay, let's label them. So this is our x-axis and here we have the y-axis. And we know that y is equals to 4 by x. Y is equals to 4 by x means it is a reciprocal graph and the numerator is positive. Therefore, your graph should be in the first quadrant and the third quadrant. So first quadrant and the third quadrant. So now here, the asymptotes, clearly you can see the asymptotes are the x-axis and the y-axis. X-axis is represented by the equation y is equals to 0 and y-axis is represented by the equation x is equals to 0. So whenever there is an asymptote, try to write down the equation for the asymptotes even if it is not mentioned. Now this is not the graph that we need. Y is equals to 4 by x is what we have. We need y is equals to 4 by x plus k. That means we need to pull this curve up by k units. So now let's just draw the curve once again. So the x and the y axis. So here we have the y axis, x axis. So let's just label them y, x. Now the same graph, we need to pull this up by k units. So let's draw the horizontal asymptote first of all. So let's say, so this will be the curve. The graph is being pulled up by k units. Now in this case, let's say this point is k and this is y is equals to k. Now the graph will be, your curve will be something like this. First quadrant and then the third quadrant. The third quadrant, the graph is pulled up. So we will be having an x-intercept here. We will be having an x-intercept here. This point that we need to find out. So now the asymptotes have been changed. The asymptote is now y is equals to k and the y-axis. Y-axis, we know y-axis is x is equals to 0. And now the only thing that we need to find out here is this x-intercept. So go back to the original equation. Y is equals to 4x, 4 by x plus k. So to get the x-intercept, we know we need to put the value for y as 0. 0 is equals to 4 by x plus k. K goes to positive, k goes to the other side. Minus k is equals to 4 by x. Cross multiply this. Minus kx is equals to 4. Therefore, x is equals to minus 4 by k. So this point here, it's always better to write this as a coordinate. So x value we got as minus 4 by k and your y coordinate. Since it's a point on the x-axis, your y coordinate will be 0. So we are done with the first part. Now the line with the equation y is equals to 10 minus 2x is a tangent to C. So tangent to C means, we know, b square minus 4ac, our discriminant is equal to 0. Tangent touches the curve at one point. If a curve is there and the tangent, if it's a tangent means it is cutting, it's touching the curve at one point. So we studied that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. First of all, let's just make some space here. So we'll do the b part over there. The line with equation y is equal to 10 minus 2x. So 4 by x plus k, we need to equate it with 10 minus 2x in order to get the point of intersection. So positive k, let's take it to the other side. So 4 by x is equals to 10 minus 2x minus k. Cross multiply this. 4 is equals to 10 minus 2x minus k, the whole thing multiplied by x. So 10 into x is 10x minus 2x into x is minus 2x square, minus k into x is minus kx is equals to 4. Bring all the terms to the left-hand side so that your coefficient of x square is positive. So minus 2x square goes to the left-hand side, it becomes positive 2x square. Minus kx goes to the left-hand side, positive kx. 10x goes to the left-hand side, minus 10x. Already there is a positive 4 on the left-hand side. Now, we know that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Since it is a tangent, it is just touching the curve at one point. So I can just simplify this once more, 2x square plus k minus 10 into x plus 4 is equal to 0. So a is equals to 2, b is equals to k minus 10, and c is equals to 4. b square minus 4ac, that is k minus 10, that is b square minus 4 into a into c is equal to 0. K minus 10 the whole square, when we simplify that, we'll get k square minus 20k plus 100 minus 4 into 4 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32 is equal to 0. So this is basically k square minus 20k plus 100 minus 32. 100 minus 32 is 68, isn't it? So 100 minus 32, 68, yeah. So plus 68 is equal to 0. Two numbers, when we multiply to get 68 and add to get minus 20. I don't think that we'll be getting any answer for this by using factorization method. So what we need to do is we need to go for completing the square method. So I'll just use completing the square method. I'll erase this. So you get some space over there. So k square minus 20k plus 68 is equal to 0. So we know k minus 10, the whole square, minus 100 plus 68 is equal to 0. By using completing the square method, we'll get k minus 10 the whole square minus 100 plus 68. That is basically k minus 10 the whole square minus 100 plus 68, that is minus 32. So k minus 10 the whole square is equals to 32 goes to the other side, positive 32. Now, so k minus 10 will be plus or minus square root of 32. We're just square rooting both the sides. So k will be 10 plus or minus root 32. Now root 32, we can prime factorize it further to 4 root 2. So this will become 10 plus or minus 4 root 2. So value for k will be either 10 plus 4 root 2 or 10 minus 4 root 2. That is these are the two possible values of k. Thank you for watching.